you're right, you know, you're not Peyton. Lucas and Peyton's story is all about romance and destiny and fate. But you're different.
Thanks.
Brooke Davis writes her own story like you did with your career and your company and with Sam. You choose your own path.
Yeah. But you can't choose who you love.
You're right. You don't. But you choose whether or not you open your heart to love.
What do you want me to say?
How about, I love you too, Julian?
How about I like you a lot? This is all happening really fast. What happened to just having fun? And, you know, it's not as simple for me. I have Sam to think about.
Don't do that.
What?
Don't hide behind Sam.
I'm not hiding.
Yes, you are. And you want to know what I think? I think you do love me. Or you could love me, but you're just too stubborn and scared to admit it because the last time you really gave your heart to someone, it got broken. And I get that. I've been there. But somewhere along the line, you gave up on the idea that you deserve to feel this way again. But you don't see what I see, Brooke. You deserve this. So I'm gonna try one more time. I love you. I'm in love with you. I'm so lost and completely in love with you. I have been ever since I saw you doing that ridiculous Molly Ringwald dance.
Julian. I care about you so much.
Never let it be said that Brooke Davis is easy.
Julian.
I'm sorry. It wasn't fair. You know what? It's okay someday. You let someone in. Today's just not that day.
I don't want this to change anything.
No, it won't. It won't. You know, you were right. It's my fault. We were just having fun, and you overwhelmed me a little bit. It's too soon.
It is a little too soon.
Yeah, I know. Tell you what, why don't you go get ready for dinner? We'll pretend the last hour never happened.
Are you sure? I mean, can we really do that?
In fact, in the movie business, we do it all the time. It's called a deleted scene. Go pull yourself together, Brooke Davis. You look a mess. I'll wait for you.